the value of x, which is unknown. How do we go about it? So if we have to find the value of x here, is to apply the same principles of arithmetic sequences. That the second difference minus the first difference will be equals to the third difference minus the second difference. So we do that. So the second difference minus the first difference will be 2x minus 2 minus the first difference, which will be x plus 3. And to make things more visually pleasing, we can use a different color for that. So the difference between the third term and the second term will be 5x plus 1 minus 2x minus 2. And notice that I'm putting these variables in brackets. Why am I doing that? Because there's a minus sign in front of them and a minus sign in front of them. I don't want to lose track of my minus signs. So since we found the first differences, let's try and simplify this so that we don't have as many terms and we eliminate the brackets. So we can do that by multiplying this negative in there, that negative in there, and we'll do the same thing for there. Multiply the negative into the brackets. So this will look like 2x minus 2 minus x minus 3. We can further simplify this like terms. 2x minus x will be x. Minus 2 minus 3 will give us minus 5. It's much more simplified. Let's do the same thing for this one, which will be 5x plus 1. Negative times 2x will be negative 2x. Negative times negative will be positive 2. Let's simplify like terms. 5 minus 2 is 3x. 1 plus 2 will be 3. And we know a very important property. Remember, we said we know that the difference is the first difference of an arithmetic sequence, they are equal, which means then it's easy to solve for x because this is equals to that, and we know that we can group like terms and solve for the unknown, which is these unknowns, which is x. So we can take the 3x to the other side of the equation, which will be x minus 3x is equals to 3. We can take the 5 to the other side of the equation, which will be plus 5. X minus 3 will give us negative 2x is equals to 3 plus 5, which give us 8. Divide both sides by negative 2 because we want to eliminate anything in front of x, the negatives, and the 2's cancel. We left with x is equals to 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. So that will be the value for x. And if you